Hey everyone, check out the Spice by Mowry Healthy Non-Stick Ceramic Savory Saffron 6-piece bakeware set featuring assorted colors. This set includes two 8-inch round cake pans, a loaf pan, a 6-cup muffin pan, a 13-inch bake pan, and a 15-inch cookie sheet. The non-stick ceramic interior makes cleanup easy and requires less oil for healthier baking. Its durable carbon steel exterior ensures even heat distribution for perfect baking and browning every time. Rolled edges resist warping and provide extra support on the easy grip handles for comfortable use. Plus, these colorful baking essentials are oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to hand wash only to keep your bakeware in great condition. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.